The Sinjuki Nongsenshar Shnong, Kabri U Hinutrep and the Sinjuki Rangbhakur Kabri U Hinutrep have unanimously rejected the Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council Regulation and Administration of Land Amendment Bill 2026, demanding the immediate withdrawal of the notification issued in connection with the proposed legislation. The resolution was adopted during a joint convention attended by village heads and representatives from across Khadc Hills and Riboy, who held extensive deliberations on the implications of the proposed amendment. Briefing reporters after the meeting, Sinjuk President R.L. Blah said the organization would reach out to Dorbar Shnongs and Himas across the region to build a united front against the bill. He said memoranda would also be submitted to the Governor of Meghalaya and the Minister in charge of District Council Affairs, DCA, urging intervention and withdrawal of the notification. Blah said the organization's principal objection was to Clause 16 of the amendment bill, which omits the provision mandating consultation with the Dorbar Shnong, Dorbar Right and Dorbar Hima. He maintained that the deletion weakens the authority of traditional institutions and undermines their role in matters relating to land administration.
Senjuk kena sensasnong kabri neutra. Kerai kebangila sim kalomba ngin persya ya kanika. Amendment bill arhajar arkumure tak benukong pat ngila sim ru ya karai bangin dawa ba enweng no ya ka notification. Ban recall kabaar ban recall ya kabil bat tho syabaro ki Senong kita rengkat bat ki hima bagi dia trailang bat ba ngindala biang nadong sedong ngin aru kacing tho show governor ngin kendu governor ngin kendu minister DCA ngin kendu yo chief minister juga jela kacung bat ngin ai copy ru ya kena resolution syari si ambeton pura kacung kita ki rai ba mission taksi kadapa ai kolong habayade bat ketuk amendment ke clause 16 bala wengo itu contain in consultation bat ki dorbar snong dorbar ra dorbar mar kat kum bakar yam yomba na kapor laya kram ya ki isu nrai kram poi shei aslam Yingin persya iki rajong disculture. Ni don rekat haba yadi ban digitalize kini ban yada ya ke khendau ka siap. Ni don rekat baki. Nrai ban ongpat ba num simsur ya ke consultation yang i dorbar snang. Bat kum juru iki dorbar hima ki dorbar kata nimla ban pria. Mar hadu menta mena lada pilai. Meta ke registration ke state government ke revenue department pensiun nang rem halor ke dolar halor ke pata mot ke dor jong ke jing soi kertang jong rang ba snong dor ba snong ke don ke ikhtiar haka nrai ko makalong menta mot yang ni so mot kan lek ke sponsor ni pasya halor kata maria ke bala don balai ni ba kemaksa itu.
Penduduk kata kemudian kemudian import kan.
Bangim skulptur kata ke. Kai kan jengmot joki selindat yang tek ke. Marlada yo banyak syonglang. Ni ya perkhat ni mer jengmot lang. Dak jeng skulptur ke kalak ban poi ska babaru. Nrai ko makalong mentang ni gimla ban puli ke jengmot perkhat de jongki. Kiru kemla ban puli ke jengmot perkhat jongki. Pi Nrai dah kabay siyang lang kaya siya kan kajing keren. Mar kajing tho kami kumto, kajing keren kami na kumoy te. Ngem pat wani kendo pat lada kem khot ngem lai.
Kumpulong itu.
Kiki si megara krem konsol ini te. Isya kila ada man khot am.
Kuba kongsan kalong mamanta. Kada isu lagi sangi ya ka kongsan ng governor. Maka ni kami kilala jika di sini mentala palat jika setiap atau maka dia ni rupa khatlai tarik mah. Jadi kapakongsan mentah kalong ba yung hapon sange no go na ban pensudu how go na man ay ka ya ka clarity halo jong ni ko bil ba go na unong ay ya ka consent ko jong man asan ni ko bil ba kanong kaan ba kanong kaan di ini kenduru ya minister jong DCI ba pastor tinsong ibamdan mentah sosial but kada kadang kejingkat nakaliang jong district council min saya teh min saya perkat bangin day dala kadai ini begini kendu mereka bahas mat kadai dan pun sange